Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent chats will be displayed. Now, tap on the three lines icon at top left corner and select the settings icon from the menu. After that, access the privacy and safety feature from the list and select end-to-end encrypted chats. Next, tap on message storage at the top of the list and turn on the secure storage feature. This will help back up all of your end-to-end encrypted messages. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. To recover deleted messages, go back to the home page of the settings menu and select Meta Account Center. Now, access the Your Information feature and select Download Your Information. Then tap on the download button at the top, choose your Facebook account, and select specific types of information from the page. Then select Messages, tap on Next, and choose the download storage. On the next step, tap on Create Files and wait for it to become available. So that's basically how you can recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.